We're back! What's up, guys? It's your girl Cam
and Imani,
and we are back at you with another hair video. Today is wash day, so let's get started.
Now that we're done with our little rinse wars, we can talk about the shampoo we're using. Take it away, Mommy.
Today we are using DevaCurl No Poo Decadence. No Poo provides moisture and gently cleanses without stripping away the natural oils that your hair needs.
This is the Vita Good Scalp Massager. It helps exfoliate your scalp. Also helps increase blood flow, which also promotes hair growth. You can find it at Target for $20.
DevaCurl One Condition Decadence helps drench your hair in extreme moisture for super soft curls. I mean, look at that. They're just beautiful, right?
Regular towels can damage your hair cuticles, resulting in frizzy hair. So go ahead and get yourself a microfiber towel. Or you could always use an old cotton t-shirt.
DevaCurl Believe-In is a lightweight gel that provides conditioning and strengthening with a blend of wheat protein, lemongrass, and chamomile. Okay, now it's time for a pop quiz! Why do we do twist outs, Monty?
Well, Mommy, twist outs are a protective styling method that help elongate your curls while drying for a beautiful no-frizz style. No heat, no damage.
Good job. Now get out of here so I can finish mine. And voila! The twists are done and you're ready to air dry. So in the morning, all I do is apply a mixture of some oils to my hands before I start untwisting and unraveling these beautiful curls. And now that Sleeping Beauty's awake, we can get hers done too. And that's it! We hope this video encourages more of you to embrace your natural hair, because after all,
it is a symbol of you, and you are beautiful.